Ever watched the stock market and thought, I could totally predict that? Well, here is your chance to prove it. The NISM Research Analyst certification is India's official ticket to becoming the person who decodes markets, not just follows them. This examination conducted by the National Institute of Securities Markets, NISM, yes, the one established by SEBI, certifies you as a qualified research analyst. Think of it as the Hogwarts of Indian stock analysis, but with fewer wizards and more balance sheets. The NISM Research Analyst examination tests how well you can analyze the financial statements, forecast the company performance, and recommend stocks responsibly, because you are basically influencing where people put their hard-earned money. The examination includes modules like basics of research and analysis, company and industry analysis, valuation techniques, and the regulations for the research analysis, that is RA. It's a 100-mark online test with 2 hours of time and a 60% passing mark. No negative marking, so yes, one less thing to fear. And once you clear it, you can officially register with SEBI as a research analyst and start giving the real investment recommendations. That's right, you go from Googling stock tips to being the person others Google. At Dr. Shorov's classes, we turn balance sheets into the bedtime stories and valuation into a comedy act. You will learn how to spot the red flags in companies faster than your mom spots lies in your report card. And yes, our mock tests are tougher than the SEBI's own. Our NISM research analyst preparation includes full syllabus coverage, mock papers, and the case-based learning, real company reports, live data interpretation, and discussion on the market psychology. We keep the batches small and interactive, and even offer one-to-one mentorship for the career planning. And for those who need a little financial push, our free sessions are open to them, because education should not depend on your wallet size. So, if you dream of becoming the next big market mind of India, the NISM Research Analyst examination is your start. And if you want to ace it with confidence, logic, and a little laughter, come join Dr. Shorov's classes where analyst meets the attitude. Now, join Dr. Shorov's classes today, and we will meet in the next video. Keep learning, keep growing with only Dr. Shorov's classes. Bye-bye.